Hello, Beast here. Today we'll be opening up some more Magic the Gathering. Same year. Alright, we're going to be opening up some Core Set 2021 Collector's Booster Pack and hopefully getting some amazing pulls, so you make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. Oof. Dude, this card looks amazing. Hold on, let me show you guys this card. Look at that card. Too bad there's a line down it. Alright. Boom, cat token. Alright, so we got Frantic Inventory. We got Session Training. We got Shock. We got Windscarred Crag. We got Garruk's Uprising. We got Amir. We got, ooh, that looks sexy. Full Art Mountain. Not full art, holographic. This is the full art or extended art double vision. A foil hooded bright thing. Well, that's rare. A extended art Sporeweave rare. A Teferi Protege. A Barsari Acolyte. Oof, Barsari Cat. Extended art Mythic. A Chandra's Pyroling. And a Garruk's Gorehorn. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment in the comments below what your favorite card is pulled. And subscribe with notifications on for more epic pulls. I'll see you guys later and enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye. This video is brought to you by your boy, Booster Beast.